What up, guys? Welcome to another episode. This is another week, new opportunities. So let's grab it. So, guys, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. I'm documenting my trading journey on this channel. So let's go together. When you start trading, you start feeling like as if your village people are after you, or that means you start feeling as if your village people are behind you. That your village people are really active. Because how can you explain this kind of things, guys? Two trades in a row, two trades in a row that came almost to my entry and went directly to my TP without taking me, without activating me. Two trades, Monday and Tuesday. How can you explain that, guys? Sometimes it's really frustrating. It's really frustrating because sometimes it's even better hitting stop loss because just see at this trade, just see this trade. This is the one in EU, the first trade on EU that came almost to my entry, then went directly to TP without activating me. Without activating me, I was like, what? But the second you activate me, you first of all remove me before going to my TP. Like really, like really. But it is what it is. It is what it is. And also, the trade on BTC. This is right here. I'm going to put a screenshot right here. The trade on BTC, when it came almost to my entry, it didn't activate me. I already placed my sell limit, everything. It came just above the sell limit and went directly to TP without activating me. So this the part of this the part of trading which really hurts. I can't lie to you guys. This one was so painful more than when I take a stop loss. I felt, because you start thinking maybe this trade, maybe if this trade took me, I could have been up 1%, I could have been up 1.5%. You start overthinking. So I just decided, after this trade didn't take, I just decided to go out of the market. I didn't take any other trade again. So guys, this is the part of trading which is really painful. And one thing I'm happy about is the fact that I respected my trading plan, respected all the rules, and followed them to perfection. Even though I missed it, at least I respected everything. That was that was the only part in which I was happy about. So that's what even calmed me down. But it is what it is. What can you do? You can just execute and watch, or set their limit, set their orders, and just watch to see how the price is going to react to those levels. So it is what it is, guys. Today is Wednesday and I'm not going to take any other trade again. I'm going to wait for tomorrow to see either the price is going to give me a setup or not, to see whether I can trade or not. So I'm not going to take any trade today, Wednesday. I missed those trades yesterday, Tuesday, and day before yesterday, Monday. So today I'm not going to take any other trade again. So let me show you guys the chart. Let me show you guys those trades in the chart and explain you guys how I was able to catch. I'm already saying catch, meanwhile I didn't take any trade. Let me explain to you guys. Let me show you guys how I was able to see. Let me say see, because I didn't catch. Let me just say see those trades before it went without taking me. Okay, guys, so let's start from the daily time frame. So okay, looking at the daily time frame, you could see that the price was going on a downtrend and then came back. Looking at this, you see an order block at this level where this price ejected from. This is the daily time frame. You see, this is an order block in which the price is ejected from. So that means the price is going now on an up on the downtrend. Sorry. Then let's go to lower time frame. which shows that the price is about to go bearish. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame. This one, this was Monday. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, what can we see? We can see that here there's an order block. Here there's an order block at this level, in which the price came, tapped into it, and if you zoom very well, you see a small fair value gap inside this level. This is a small fair value gap. So the price tapped this fair value gap, tapped the order block above it, and then rejected. And what did it? It gave a CRT. So the mistake I did now here was I didn't wait for this candle to close completely. So I entered on the second candle before the second candle could close. I'm always even saying that I entered. Meanwhile, I missed. I was supposed to wait for this candle to close before I enter on the third candle, but I was trying to look for my entry on the second candle. So if we go to, let's go to the 1-hour time frame. So going to the 1-hour time frame, it's more clear now. See, this is the fair value gap, the sweep, tap, order block, and rejected. Let's go where I told you I missed the entry. So this is absolutely where I missed. So this is where I missed the entry. Let me zoom very well so that you guys should see. So this is the trade I missed on Tuesday. Look at very well. This trade was a very clean setup, very clean. But if I could have waited for this candle to close, this is where my entry could have been. At this level, this candle, I could have entered at this candle right here. Then I go for 1-3. Then I could have still hit TP. Even for 1-4, I could have still hit TP. So this was the trade I missed, guys. This was the trade I missed, and I hope I learned something from this. Even if I was to risk a 1-4, just see the way you could have still hit full TP. Full TP. So it is what it is, guys. So we keep on pushing, and let's make sure we learn everything. We learn at least one thing from our trade missed and also from our losses. So that's the aim. And I hope you guys understood at least a thing, at least one thing from this video. And thanks you guys. Don't forget to subscribe while continue to watch the video. Let's go. So guys, I hope you understood at least one thing from what I just explained, because as we are all beginners, and sometimes explaining is not the best we are not the best at explaining. So I hope you even understood at least one thing from what I just explained. So see you guys tomorrow, and see if I'm going to catch any other trade. Welcome back, guys. This is Thursday, and sometimes things will just keep happening to you. You just start laughing because it's like you don't even feel the pain anymore. You just start laughing because this. I'm going to show you guys what happened today. This is Thursday. I'm going to show you guys what happened today, because I cannot even explain to you. Can you guys imagine if someone asks you the definition of pain? Show him this video, because how are you telling me that this price when it's not even the price that reached my stop loss? It's the spread that removed me, and immediately they don't even continue going to the upside. Immediately it reversed. Just imagine this scenario. This is so painful. This is the one of the most painful part about forex trading. Not even the losses. Maybe if it could have just hit my stop loss, then continue going to the upside, it could have been better. But hitting my stop loss and immediately reversing, this is so painful. You just watch the video and you see that was a trade on BTC in which it took me very well. I entered and the price went up, took me out. It was just a spread even, because the price didn't reach to my stop loss. It was a spread. The spread came up and took me, then went directly, oh guys, directly to my TP, directly. It didn't even pain me again, because it's like I'm just getting used to it. It's like I'm just getting used to the stop loss. I'm not more pained again. Like like I said, something else will continuously hit you until you not even feel the pain again. Like seriously. So, but it is what it is, guys. You can't do anything about it. It is important that after every loss or every trade missed, you learn something from it. That's the most important thing about it. So, so that next time you can do better. Either you can escape that trade or you can enter that trade. So this was how the week passed, and I learned a lot this week, and I hope I'll continue to learn and growing. And I hope you guys learn at least something in this video. If you watched to this level, please do me a favor of hitting that subscribe button and liking the video, so that we should continue to grow together and improve together. So see you guys at the top. Peace and love.